My name is Carlos. I'm going to be doing some hand hygiene and infection control. First thing I'm going to do is just turn my water on, make sure the pressure is good, temperature is okay, make sure it's warm. Going to get some soap, lather up my hands for about 15 seconds, making sure to get underneath the fingernails, in between fingertips, around the wrist. Normally you would wash up to your elbows. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to do up to the wrist. Going to rinse it off in a downward motion, making sure not to touch the side of the sinks, making sure the water isn't dripping up the elbow. Going to get a clean paper towel and dry it off your hands. And then with a clean paper towel, turn off the sink. And talking about some precautions, with contact precautions, for example, would be something like MRSA. These patients would need to be by themselves. You would wear gloves, gown, maybe a mask. With droplet precautions, these patients can be roomed together, but infection control has to be consulted to see if they can be roomed together. An example would be like for influenza, you would want to wear some goggles, mask, gown, and gloves. And then with airborne precautions, such as COVID-19, these patients are going to need to be in isolation by themselves in a negative pressure room, and you're going to want to wear an N95, a mask, gown, and gloves.